Today we're doing something kind of different. Today we're going to be doing a top 10. Top 10 Jamaican footballers of all time, or top 10 reggae boys of all time. But there are certain stipulations. Everybody that's on this list has worn a Jamaican jersey or has played for Jamaica. And the second stipulation is there are no current players in the top 10. All right? You ready? Let's get into it. At number 10, we have Ian Goodison. Ian Pepe Goodison began his career in the minor Jamaican football leagues and was discovered in 1996 by Rene Simoes, who introduced him straight into the national squad, and the rest is history. He played over 70 games for Hull City, 366 games for Tranmere Rovers. For Jamaica, he played 128 games, scoring 10 goals, playing at centre half. At number 9, we have Dion Burton. Dion Burton, also known as Neon Dion, played as a striker. His numerous clubs in English football included Portsmouth, Derby County, and Sheffield United. He represented Jamaica internationally, including at the 1998 World Cup, and was named the 1997 Jamaica Sportsman of the Year. He made 62 appearances for Jamaica, scoring 13 goals, including goals that sent Jamaica to their first World Cup in 1998. At number 8, we have Anandi Lowe. Anandi Lowe, also known as Nandi, is a Jamaican former international footballer who played in almost every outfield position except goalkeeper, but was best known as a prolific forward. He spent some of his career in the top flight in the Jamaica National Premier League, as well as having stints in North America and England. He scored 27 goals in 65 international appearances and appeared at the 1998 FIFA World Cup. At number 7, we have Alan Skill Cole. Alan Cole, often called Skill for short, the former footballer, played at both professional and international level as a striker. Cole played in the NASL with the Atlanta Chiefs and in Brazil with Náutica. He also represented the Jamaica national team at international level. During his career, he was regarded as Jamaica's most celebrated player. Carter Fuller played as a forward for Stoke City, Southampton, Hearts, Crystal Palace, and a host of other top English clubs. Fuller was born in Kingston, Jamaica, and began his career with Tivoli Gardens. He played 72 international matches for Jamaica between 1992 and 2012, and he scored 12 goals for his country. At number 5, we have Luton Shelton. I want to say rest in peace to Luton. Luton Shelton was a Jamaican professional footballer who played as a striker or a winger. At the time of his death, he was the top scorer for the Jamaica national team with 35 goals. He's also the only man to score 4 goals on debut in 2004. He earned 75 caps for Jamaica and played at 3 CONCACAF Gold Cups. At number 4, we have Walter Boyd. Walter Boyd, also known as Blacker Pearl, is a retired football striker from Jamaica. Boyd was extremely gifted yet a controversial player, whose off-the-field antics always appeared to get him in trouble. Yet his behavior on and off the field, combined with his great football skill and talent, earned him a cult figure hero status among Jamaican football fans. I don't think anybody will ever equal that. Number 3, we have Wes Morgan. Morgan is the former Leicester City captain for 9 years and retired just recently. He captained the club during its most successful ever period, captaining them to the championship title in 2014, their first Premier League title in 2016, and their first FA Cup in 2021. Big up Wes Morgan. Number 2, we have Theodore Whitmore. Theodore Topper Whitmore, Order of Distinction OD, former professional footballer. He's the current manager of Jamaica. Whitmore played for Hull City and Tranmere Rovers, among other clubs. Whitmore scored 2 goals in Jamaica's only win in the FIFA World Cup, a 2-1 victory against Japan in 1998, and nobody can forget that. At number 1, we have Ricardo Gardner, commonly known as Bibi. the former professional footballer who played for Bolton Wanderers during a 14-year spell at the club. 11 of those years are spent playing in the Premier League. Gardner earned 111 caps for the Jamaican national football team, scoring 9 goals and playing at 4 CONCACAF Gold Cups and the 1998 FIFA World Cup. That is my top 10. Alright? Let me know what you think in the comment section. And remember, like and subscribe.